There's a new way to bring nearly any type of old battery back to life, so it's just like new again. This method works with nearly every type of battery out there, and it's simple and quick. In case you're wondering, you'll be able to bring a car, phone, and laptop batteries back to life with this. It even works with solar, off-grid, marine, golf cart, and forklift batteries. Plus, many more. Well, in fact, you can recondition any of these batteries. Car batteries. Computer and phone batteries. Rechargeable batteries. Long-life batteries. Batteries used in alternative energy systems. Other types of lead-acid batteries. Deep-cycle marine batteries. Golf cart batteries. Forklift batteries. And many other kinds of common batteries. With this reconditioned battery secret, you won't have to buy new expensive batteries anymore. You can just recondition your old, used batteries and save a lot of money. You will also learn how to get dead batteries for free, bring them back to life, then sell them for nice profits. Click on the link in the description below to discover how to start today.